I'm Dr. Jack Silva, Superintendent of the Bethlehem Area School District. I'm calling all Liberty and Freedom High School seniors and family members. I'm happy to announce that again this year, Moravian University will be offering the Superintendent's Moravian Scholarship. This is a full tuition scholarship to a graduating senior at Freedom High School and Liberty High School. This is an incredible act of generosity from Moravian University and President Grigsby, and a tremendous opportunity for a senior from each of our high schools who wants to attend Moravian tuition-free for 4 years. It's a simple process to apply to Moravian and then apply for the scholarship. What are we really looking for when we select the scholarship recipient each year? We're looking for someone who can share through an essay their life experiences and demonstrate that they will be a positive contributing member of the Moravian University community. I encourage you to take the time and apply for this scholarship. Good luck and have a great senior year. And now it's my pleasure to introduce Mr. Josh Tehonica from Moravian University, who will speak more specifically about the application process.
Thank you, Dr. Silva, for the introduction. My name is Josh Tehonica. I am the Director of Undergraduate Recruitment at Moravian University. We are excited to once again partner with the Bethlehem Area School District for the Superintendent Scholarship. The application process for this is very simple. Students, first, you will submit the application to Moravian University. It is a free application, whether you apply through the Common Application or the Moravian online application. Along with this, we will need a copy of your high school transcripts and a letter of recommendation. Moravian University is test optional, so you are not required to submit your SAT scores if you do not wish to. Along with this, we will need you to then submit the actual superintendent scholarship application along with the required essay as a part of that. And then you will want to complete the free application for federal student aid. You will need to complete all of these before the February deadline, at which time the applications will be reviewed and the finalists will be selected in early April, and then they will go through the interview process. We certainly look forward to receiving your applications, and we hope you are doing well.